Hey everyone, Charlie with Merchant Automotive here in the sunny Florida Keys, and today we have beach towels. Wait, what? Beach towels at Merchant Automotive? Well, that's exactly right. Check it out. Our beach towels are double-sided. One side is soft and absorbent to dry you off after a long day in the water. The other side completely waterproof, so you have something dry to sit or lay on afterward. You say, Charlie, I live in Indiana. What do I need a beach towel for? Well, as luck would have it, this is also a Duramax winter grill cover for you folks in the colder climates. What's better than a dual-purpose product? Beach towel in the summer, Duramax grill cover for those colder months. These are available on our website, or feel free to give us a call. And as always, subscribe below to follow Merchant Automotive's YouTube page. Click that like button and comment below with any questions you have. And thanks for watching.